So we've completed the initial cleaning phase of the Binney Monument and removed a lot of the biological growth and soiling from the surface. And the next phase is removing the gypsum crusts from some of the undercuts on the figures and in the details. The gypsum forms as the marble breaks down and starts to degrade, and it mixes with pollutants from the environment and sort of forms a thick black crust mostly on protected areas of the sculpture where it doesn't get a lot of water runoff. We do that by using a conservation laser, which is a pulsed Q-tip laser that works on a wavelength where it actually vaporizes the darker parts of the stone and leaves the white that's below free of being damaged. So here's the black gypsum crust that we were talking about over on the other side. You can see they sort of built up behind the reef, and it's pretty disfiguring, and it's a relatively thick layer on there. All right, I'm gonna fire this thing up, Roberto. Okay, so we just did the initial testing on here using a laser, and it seems to work. It seems to work very well. I think we're going to be able to get the majority of the black crust off using it. There's some areas that we may have to do mechanically as well, because the laser doesn't get quite up into the little grooves in there where the handpiece has to fit. But all in all, I think it's going to be a very successful use of this tool on this project.